Everyone, this is Just a Dad. Today I'm going to do a review on this AGLUCKY ice maker. So before you plug it in, make sure that you let it sit on the counter for 2 hours. There's some oil that needs to drain back down into the compressor. And there's some tape on this paddle wheel. Make sure you remove that tape before you plug it in. It's got a basket. You're going to fill it up with water to the max line. Plug it in and then hit the power button. It's got a power button. When that light is on, that means it's on. It's got an ice full light and an add water light. You'll feel some air being sucked in here, but it's being blown out here. Around back, here's what it looks like. It's got a really long heavy-duty cord. It's 65 inches long, and it's 3-prong. Now, it does say it's 115 volts, 60 hertz, 1.5 amps, but sometimes it does go up to 1.8 amps. So it's a really fast ice maker. It's already made 2 batches of ice. Every 6 minutes, so about every 5 to 6 minutes, you'll see the ice, that thing will drop down and pick up the ice and scoop them over here. And the ice is really frozen, really hard. Now it does have an infrared sensor, so when the ice builds up and it blocks this little infrared sensor line right here, it will turn the ice maker off. And then as it melts down, it will start making ice again. So that's an automatic feature that works really nice. So that ice, if it sits here, it's just going to melt, eventually go back into that water. Now there's a little bit of insulating to this, but it's got a lid here, so the ice is going to melt. Okay, so it's getting ready. There's the ice. They're going to drop down. Okay, and then that paddle is going to move them into the basket. And this happens every 5 minutes. And then that bucket will fill back up. What you're hearing now is a little pump, and it's filling that up inside there. And again, we got a little scoop. Makes scooping out the ice very easy. I am very happy with this ice maker. I hope this video helps. Thanks everybody for watching.